As a beginner learning English, I have a simple and effective routine to improve my language skills. Every morning, I start my day by eating breakfast and dedicating an hour to practice English. To improve my listening skills, I listen to English music and watch English movies with subtitles. After watching, I read English books to learn new words and practice grammar. I make sure to read slowly and carefully. And if I don't understand a word, I look it up in the dictionary. I also practice speaking by talking to myself or practicing with a friend. When speaking, I focus on pronouncing words correctly and using the correct grammar. In the evening, I review what I have learned during the day and write new vocabulary words in my notebook. This helps me remember new words and phrases, and it also helps me to organize my thoughts. My routine is a great way to improve my English language skills. By listening, reading, speaking, and writing every day, I am building a strong foundation of vocabulary and grammar. I will become more confident in my ability to communicate in English. Thank you.